How's it going? So if you guys had ever really followed other automotive like social media accounts, maybe on Facebook, Instagram, maybe on TikTok or whatever, you guys probably been familiar with this. This right here is the Icon 24 karat gold ratchet. Pretty cool. You can get it at Harbor Freight. It is one of their Icons series, so it's a little bit of their higher end ratchet, and they made it in gold. Genuine 24 karat gold plated. It's not solid gold, but it's gold plated. Still made of the chrome, palladium, or whatever that thing is that they typically make other ratchets in. Today I wanted to look at this, unbox it, and compare it to some other ratchets. And if you notice, I also got another one right here, which is one that I'm planning on giving away at the end of the video. If you're only here for the video for the giveaway, you can go to this timestamp, but if you want to watch the whole video, which I recommend, there's that. But this one right here, I'll be giving away to a lucky person. So I'm gonna put this one down to the side. Here you go, Icon. It's gold plated. If you look on the back, Icon Professional Ratchet, Special Edition, 90-tooth, low profile, 3/8 drive. A little nice picture of it on the back. Lifetime guaranteed. And it does have like a little warning. It says please handle with care. Genuine 24 karat gold, scratches easily. There's a part number for it, so if you're interested in getting it. Designed by Icon in the USA, manufactured in Taiwan. This thing reminds me a lot, in the box, at least reminds me a lot of the those older iPod Touches. They came in that clear shell. But we're going to unbox this thing and see what it's all about. Now, before we unbox it, I do want to show you what other ratchets I'm comparing it to. So leave that there. Some of the other ratchets that I am comparing it to. There's this one, I use this one on channel a couple times. This is my Craftsman. This is a 36 tooth ratchet. This is really the cheapest ratchet I got going on here. Got your little switcher thing. Got it. And you can tell it's 36 teeth by how many times it clicks when it goes in rotation. Other way. Good ratchet. It does have a quick release, but the quick release is not that strong because you can just pop it off. But quick release is there, so your ratchets and everything your sockets can just come right off. This ratchet though is $21.98 with 36 teeth. It is available at your local Lowe's home improvement store. Now, if you have a little bit more money to spend, you got this, $32.98. It's a Craftsman 72 tooth Lowe's ratchet. Basically same as the other one, it just looks a little bit more sleek. But you got your tighten, your loosen setting, you got your quick release. Now this one has 72 teeth, so 72 times I should have clicked all the way around. It does have a quick release button on it, which is something you typically see on a lot of lower end ratchets, but not the higher end ones for some reason. And this one is really strong on there. That one's not going anywhere. A little bit higher end ratchet is this gear wrench ratchet. The gear wrench does not have a quick release. It does have on the ratchet itself an on, if it can focus, on and then off setting. So when you put a bolt on, take a bolt off. That's how that works. This one, as you can tell, is an 84 tooth. They don't make these in 84 tooth anymore. When I tried to check for the price online, the price of $34.99, they only had them in 90 tooth. A lot more clicking. And this one is not super hard to take tools on and off of it either, even though it doesn't have a quick release. And then one of the ratchets that I use at work every day for the last 3 years is this snap-on ratchet. It's me, but let's see if you can get a focus on it. Snap-on. It still says snap-on, still has the on and off setting on it. This one is a flex head, so the head flexes, so it gets you in hard to reach spots or whatever. This one right here is a 80 tooth ratchet with an extra long handle, so handle is a little bit longer than the ratchet. with 80 teeth. This one also does not have a quick release. This ratchet right here, it can be available. This is an older model. You can get this one for $166 from your Snap-on tool guy. I know when it comes to tools on like tool trucks, the price for this one was at a Tractor Supply Company, which does sell tools a little bit cheaper than other places. But the prices for these tools that you can get off a tool truck do vary very heavily depending where you get it, from a catalog, online, or the truck. Alright, so the next ratchet is this one. The ratchet right here is an Icon ratchet from Harbor Freight. It is $69.99, 90 tooth from Harbor Freight. You can pick this up also on the Harbor Freight website. If you have the Harbor Freight membership, then this thing right here is $5 less at $64.99, which is what I ended up getting it for. And all these ratchets that I did show you today were a 3/8 drive. So time to open it. For a start, I guess starts here. I'm not very good at this tape stuff. I also don't have much of fingernails. Okay, pulling tape off. That was anticlimactic. Okay, let's grab another piece of tape. Ta-da! I'm gonna get all this tape. And this had probably been the most well packaged thing here. Okay, I guess it opens like a book or something. Now this case opening, I don't want to just like break it open. Oh, there we go, breaking it open. So, there it is. Icon. It also sits in this felt thing. It's made of felt. It's kind of soft. It's Icon. A lot of people I've seen who got this had just used it for a display piece. I'm actually going to use it for when I'm working here at home. I'm not taking it to work because this will for sure get taken, but time to touch the Icon ratchet for the first time. Excited. Okay, it's really in there. Wow, okay, it has some weight to it. It's not pretty heavy, but it got some good weight to it. So it has a black gearbox in it with a on-off switch. Does say R2 gold, 24 karat gold plated. It's pretty cool. So I am going to keep the box, but I'm not going to keep the ratchet in the box. Maybe I will. No, there is a little scuffs and stuff all over it. But not immersing fluid, 90 tooth. So, high-end ratchet, we're going to see how it connects to a extension. This is just a Pittsburgh extension. Go ahead and put it here. Snaps right on. Okay. Time for the tooth. Sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty good. It's very soft. They're not hard clicks. And it does hold on to the extension pretty tight. Not as tight as a Snap-on one, but tighter than the gear wrench one. There we are. Side-by-side comparison. Gear wrench. This is pretty cool. It feels a lot heavier than the gear wrench. Or maybe they're about the same. They're about the same. I'll say this one's a tad heavier. Not by much, but it feels a tad heavier. I mean, it is, I guess, slightly longer, so that could be the case. Comparing it to the Snap-on one. Snap-on one is heavier in this case, but and comparing it to the Craftsman. and then the old Craftsman. Height-wise, size-wise, it's a pretty unique ratchet. This is like the kind of ratchet that like the people from the old show, Pimp My Ride, would use to pimp people's rides out.
So you want to be a player, but your wheels ain't flying. You gotta hit us up to get a pimped out ride. You've got to pimp my ride. Damn right. You've got to pimp my ride.
It's pretty cool, pretty nifty. It's like, it's so neat and interesting in my opinion that I don't want to use it. I want to just keep it up to look good, but at the same time, I just have to. I mean, nothing's really stopping me. Nothing's forcing me to use it, except for me being like, well, I have a perfectly good ratchet now. I should totally use it. And the profile of the chin, we're gonna compare that to the other ones. It's a huge thing. It looks like it's slightly thicker than the old Craftsman. Slightly thicker than the other Craftsman one as well. This is going to have a thick one. Yes, slightly thicker as well than the Snap one. And now it's going to be thicker than the gear wrench, yeah. So this actually has a thicker head on it. So this might not be a good ratchet to get into some harder to reach places, but I wish I had like an actual professional measurement tool, but I left that at work. The only thing I really brought from work was my Snap-on ratchet, but pretty cool ratchet. Now, if you want to get one for yourself, you can absolutely do that, because I will be using this one. So I will be giving one away, which was the other one. To win for the giveaway, or to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is like, share, and then leave a comment about anything you like. You know, make sure it's within reason and appropriate for the YouTube comment section, and then you're entered. But yeah, just a comment saying anything. I'll go randomly through the comments, just read them all, and then I'll get like a number generator, generate a number, and then whatever number it is, it'll associate that with the number, what number comment it is down. Obviously, you only put one comment down. I don't have like a million different comments from the same person. Random comment will be selected, and then a winner will be announced at 200 subscribers. I know we're pretty close. Yeah, we're at 184 subscribers. So 16 more subscribers to go. Once we're at 200, then I'll announce a winner for this. And then if you do win, I will leave you send you a message and see what I need to do to get you your ratchet here. The contest does only go to people that are in the United States, not outside the United States. I tried to do a giveaway at 100 subscribers, however, not a lot of people seem interested in it, so I didn't really continue with it. Good luck, everybody. Hopefully you will win the ratchet here, the Gold Pimp Ratchet, which is what I'm going to start calling it from now on, because it's just straight pimping. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I do have a video coming out. I didn't have a video that came out last Friday because I'm doing new editing stuff with it, and it's a little bit more time consuming. So I didn't get it out in time, but it will be out for the next video. Hopefully this video suffice. See you guys next time. You guys are amazing. Bye.